Hello and welcome to Here at Home. I'm Jennifer, and today I'll be walking you through the ear impression process, an essential step in creating custom-fit hearing aids and earplugs designed just for you. What is an ear impression and why is it important? An ear impression is a precise mold of your ear canal and outer ear. This is crucial for ensuring a perfect fit for custom hearing aids, in-ear monitors, and ear protection. A properly fitted device provides better comfort, sound quality, and retention, preventing feedback and ensuring your hearing aids stay secure throughout the day. Step 1. Otoscope examination. Before we begin, we'll conduct an otoscope examination using a specialized tool called an otoscope. This small, handheld device has a light and magnifying lens that allows us to carefully inspect your ear canal and eardrum. We check for any blockages like excessive earwax or abnormalities that could interfere with the impression-taking process. If needed, we may recommend an ear cleaning first to ensure the best results. Step 2. Placing the otoblock. Next, we'll insert a soft foam or cotton otoblock into the ear canal. This small barrier ensures that the impression material doesn't go too deep and helps create a safe and accurate mold. You might feel a slight tickling sensation, but don't worry, it's completely painless. Step 3. Preparing the impression material. Now, we mix a high-quality, medical-grade silicone material to the perfect consistency. This material is designed to be safe for your skin and ear canal while capturing every detail needed for a custom fit. Step 4. Taking the impression. Using a syringe or specialized applicator, we gently fill your ear with the impression material. It has a cool, slightly firming texture, but it should never be uncomfortable. At this stage, it's important to stay still and keep your jaw relaxed to ensure an accurate impression of your ear shape. Step 5. Allowing the material to set. The material takes just a few minutes to fully set. During this time, you might notice a slight pressure or a sensation similar to plugging your ears, but this is completely normal. Step 6. Removing the impression and final check. Once the material has hardened, we carefully remove the impression and examine it to ensure it accurately captures your ear's shape. We'll also do a final check of your ear canal to make sure everything looks good before finishing up. Many people wonder, does it hurt? The answer is no. The process is quick, safe, and designed for your comfort. If at any point you feel uneasy, let us know and we'll adjust as needed. Another question we get is, how long does this take? The entire appointment usually lasts about 15 to 20 minutes, making it a fast and easy process. Why choose Here at Home? At Here at Home, we prioritize your comfort and satisfaction. Our expert team ensures that your ear impressions are taken with the highest level of care so you get the best possible fit for your custom hearing devices. If you have any questions or concerns about the ear impression process, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you for trusting Here at Home with your hearing care needs.